Okay, can see textbook? Someone on mic?
Can.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, if you go through all this, okay, index number, okay, always if you listen to the news, okay, about our country, the regarding, you know, the, how to say, economy, okay, so you will always listen to this word, consumer price index, CPI. Okay, so this CPI also one type of this index number, okay. Okay, you look at this. Okay, this is some of the history lah. Okay, so actually this index number actually is this, okay, is a price ratio. Okay, so price ratio, since this is a ratio, you always will see is something divided by something. That's why it's called ratio, okay. Okay, so this index number also actually is a measure of change. Okay, so this is a little bit of a history lah. Okay, then we go down. Okay, this one nothing. Okay, so we will start this index number. Okay. Okay, actually this type of questions is related, like, you know, last time you learned like percentage. Okay, they will ask, you know, how many percent increase or how many percent decrease. Okay, actually it's quite related. Okay, so you go to this example. Okay, so you see last year, okay, so this man he spent RM 680 for a smartphone. Okay, then but for this year, okay, this lady spent RM 748, okay, to buy the same smartphone. Okay, so you see there are difference of the price, okay, compared to last year and this year. Okay, in last time when you learn the percentage or what they sure will ask, you know, how many percent increase. Okay, so how you want to calculate how many percent increase? You will use a 748 minus 680 and then divide by the base, which is 680. Okay, if not mistaken, the answer is 10%. No? Okay, then times 100%. Okay, so here you get 10%. Okay, so this is a 10% increase, okay, compare the last year to the this year price. Okay, then but for index number, because this is a kind of a ratio, so for the index number, if we have a 10% increase, you will see the index number as a 110. Okay, the 10 is the 10% increase. The 100 itself is the original. Okay, because we are finding the ratio only. Okay, we finding the ratio the last year is the this year. Okay, so this is the index number. Okay, so we'll go in detail. Okay, this one. Okay, what is index number? Okay, index number is a statistical measure to measure the change. Again, this is a measure the change of a variable of a particular years as compared to another year. Okay, which is considered to be the base year. Okay, when it compared to another year, that another year we call it as a base year. Okay, the base year always we will put at the bottom. Okay, since this is ratio, you have a numerator and denominator. The base year is always at the denominator. Okay, the base usually has the value of 100 and the index number is 100 times the ratio with the base. Okay, we will see what is the meaning. Okay. Okay, we go through this. This is some of the index number. Okay, this is some of the index number. Okay, but we don't concentrate on all this. Okay, we will concentrate on this formula only. afterwards. Okay, this formula. Okay, so this one you copy in your notes. Okay, so you see index number, okay, is the price or the quantity at the base year. You see the Q naught now. This one we call it Q naught. 0, okay, Q naught. Okay, this one we put at the denominator. The price or quantity at the particular years, Q1 we put at the numerator, and then times 100. Okay, so this is the index number. Okay, like the example just now, you know the smartphone example. Okay, so for last year is a 680, this year is a 748. Okay, so the index number, as I say just now, if it increase 10%, the index number should be 110. Okay, how do we get the 110? Okay, you see, okay, Q1 is the price on this year. Okay, the base year is the price on last year. Okay, base year. Okay, so this year the price is what? 748. Okay, last year the price is what? 680. Okay, then remember to times 100. Okay, wait, okay, 748. Okay, divide by 680. Okay, then times 100. Okay, so you see 110. This is what I say. Okay, you must able to relate. Okay, our normal knowledge about the price increase or price decrease with the index number. If you see the index number is 110, you have to understand it means that increase 10%. Okay, and then the formula is this. Okay, so it's actually quite simple for this chapter. Okay, and then this chapter again this is how to say, is elective, means it will come out in paper 2 section C. Okay, we will assume although your KSSM it will same as a KBSM the elective one, it will not come out in other section in other paper. It only come out in paper 2 section C. Okay, 4 chapters, 4 questions, 4 choose 2, and then this chapter will be the popular one, and then the solution of triangle also is a popular chapter to choose. Okay, and then 2 more chapter will be your form 5 last 2 topic. Okay, so wait, okay, so this is about index number. So very simple. There is only one formula. Okay, you just apply the formula. Okay, and then you just have to know, the meaning of that index number. I mean, if you see it's 110, what is the meaning of the 110? Okay, that's all for this index number. Okay, so they say that price index okay, price index means is the index number related to the price or the quantity, is the ratio in percentage. You see the ratio in percentage, but without writing the percentage symbol. Okay, this is another way of remember what is the index number Okay. Okay, let us see this example. Okay, so year 2017, the price is 500 for a watch. Okay, and then year 2018, the price is 550. Okay, calculate the index number. You see the questions how do the question ask calculate the index number of the price of the watch in the year 2018 based on the year 2017. Okay, interpret the index number of them. Okay, interpret means you got to explain it. Okay, how do you explain this is the way you explain okay, if you get 110, what is the meaning? This is why I say you have to understand the index number. Okay, so this one you see, you use a formula. Okay, if you don't want to label this year, another way of writing, we're going to write this way. Okay, since this is 08 based on 18 based on 17, we're going to write Q18 over Q17 also can. Okay, then you don't label it. Okay, so you this one label in this way is for you know to know actually you are using the price for which year. Okay, this is very important because after when the question become more complicated, maybe it involve 3 years, then this one is very important. Okay, so my suggestions, you don't do in this way. Okay, instead of doing this way, it's better you write this way so that you know that actually what is this and what is this. This is a year 18 price, this is year 17 price. Okay, so the year 18 price is what? Okay, 550. So 550 you put here. Year 17 price is 500. So 500 you put here times 100. Okay, then this is the answer. Okay, again you get 110. So what is the meaning? You got to integrate. Okay, this integrate normally will be 1 mark. Okay, so you have to write okay, increase of 10%. Okay, of the price from the year 17 to year 18. You have to write the meaning of this index number. Okay, let us look at this. Okay, the value of an index number more than 100 means there will be an increase when compared to the base year. Okay, so more than 100 means increase. Okay, then whereas index number smaller than 100 means what? Decrease. Okay, or reduction when compared to the base year. Okay, so this one you have to know. Okay, then what is the meaning of index number 100? Okay, what's the meaning if you have an index number of 100? Okay, it means it remain unchanged, no increase and no decrease. Okay, we look at example 2. This one is not related to price, but is still related to number, and then we still want to calculate the index number. Okay, year 17. Okay, this is a number. Okay, then they give you the index number. Okay, for your year 17 based on the year 2010 is this. So I write it out. Okay, the index number for the year, Q17 based on the the base year is 10. Okay, write out the formula times 100. Okay, is 156.39. Okay, this one is equal to 156.39. Okay, calculate the number of sport governing bodies registered in the year 2010. Means they're asking for Q10. Okay, this one given 17 is this number. So this is the Q17. Okay, so you can find. Okay, so Q17 is 893. Use this formula. Okay, over Q10 equals to this one times 100 can move to this side, become divide 100. Okay, then after that you calculate. Okay, this is the answer you get. Okay. Okay, so this is example 2. Okay, now we go to this example 3. Look at this example. Okay, this example, maybe you want to copy or what. Okay, always this type of question come out. You know, the student tend to forget how to do this type of questions. Okay, the price index of a bicycle in the year, this is the one I say involve 3 years. You see, you have a year 18, and then you have year 2010, and then you have year 2015. Okay, so they start with the price index of the bicycle in the year 2018 based on the year 2010 and 2015 was 176 and 110 respectively. Means they give you the price index. Okay, they give you the price index. 18 based on 10 is 176. 18 based on 15, okay, year 15 is 110. Okay, so you can write it out. Okay, you see, now they don't put 1 and 0, 1 and the not, the 0 anymore. They will write out the year. They will write out the year. Okay, so the first one is the 176 is 18 based on 10. 18 based on 10. Write out, okay, using the index number formula. Okay, is equal to 176. Okay, the second one is 18 based on 15. So 18 based on 15. Okay, also same thing, write out the formula. Let it equals to 110. Okay, so that you have two equations here. Okay, then what the question one? Okay, find the price index. They want the index, price index. Okay, of the bicycle in the year 15 based on the year 2010. Okay, means they are asking for 15, 10. Okay, they're asking for this. Okay, so if I will be able to get this, okay, then I times 100, then I will get the index number. Okay, how to get this? Okay, you see how they do? Okay, they just use divide. How to divide? Mean this divide by this. Okay, this divide by this, what will happen? You see, Q18, Q10 divide by Q18, Q15. Okay, see or not? This one divide by this one. Okay, when this one divide by this one, you can cut already, ma. Okay, so 1810, this one become times. Okay, invert it. Okay, turn upside down like that. Okay, cut. So this one will become Q15 over Q110. Okay, which is what you want, no? Q15 over Q110. Okay, so this one, the whole equation divide by this whole equations. Okay, so on the left hand side, this is what you get. And then on the right hand side, 176 over 110. This is the meaning. Okay, but this one, you can just leave it because this is the whole thing that you're going to need it for to find your answer. Okay, so the Q15 over Q110 is 176 over 110. Okay, just put in, okay, times 100, then this is the answer. Okay, another way of doing it, actually this is more popular. Okay, this method is more popular. Okay, and then you can, just how to say, memorize it or whatever lah. Okay, so you remember you see how I remember this is, here is 18, here is 15. Okay, so here will be 18, here will be 15. Okay, this one over this one will be this one is on the numerator, this one will be on the denominator. Okay, and then make sure the base here is the same. This one you must know how to write it out. Okay, then then they put in one by one. Okay, so 18 over 15. Okay, 18 over 15. 18 over 15. 18 over 15 is 110. So they put it here 110. Okay, 18 over 10. 18 over 10 is 176. So they put it here. So what do they want? The question, they want 15 based on 10. So 15 based on 10. Okay, so you just you can just move this one to this side and then move this 110 to this side, and then you find the answer. Okay, so this one, if you know how to apply it, then very fast and very easy you can get the answer. Okay, so this one maybe you want to copy down. Okay, so you do this exercise. Here you have 5 questions. Okay, for this exercise, I want you to pay attention on this one. Okay, you look at this. Okay, the year 2013, okay, in bracket 2011 is equal to 100. Okay, what is the meaning of this? Okay, what is the meaning of this? Okay, this one means the price index in the year 2013 is based on the year 2011. Okay, the table below show the price index in indices of the particular types of drink. Okay, this 150 means 13 over 11. Okay, so if want to put in the formula will be Q13, Q11, 100. Okay, this is equal to 150. This is the meaning. So you must understand and you must know what is this. Okay, sometimes the question will come out in this way. Okay, so this exercise. Okay, now we look at one problem solving questions. Okay, this is about the number of a visitor who visited Taman Negara Pahang. Okay, so for the year 2016, this is the number. Okay, so you are when read out the text, you can start to write out. Okay, so this one is the number, mean this is a Q. Okay, year 16, so you can label as 16. This is 17721. Okay, so this is the first information you have. Okay, so you see, the target 10% increase in the number of a visitor for the year 2018. Calculate the expected number of a visitor in the year 2020. If the rate of increase of a visitor from the year 18 to the is the same as the rate of the increase of the year from the actually how this type of questions I can say if you don't want to use the index number and do you can just use like your normal knowledge as your lower form the percentage and do what for this question. They didn't involve with the index number or that. You can see this question. See, year 16 is this number. Okay, then they target 10% increment. Okay, for the year 18. Okay, calculate the expected number of visitor in the year 2020. Okay, if the rate of increment from the of the visitor from the year 18 to the year 2020 is the same as the rate of increment of the visitor from year 16 to 18. Okay, you see year 18, 2016, 2018, and then 2020. 2020. Okay, so this one 10% increase. Okay, 18 to 20, they say the same rate mean another 10% increase. This is a meaning of. Okay, if you read through, you understand the story. Actually, you don't have to use the index number and do. Because this question, they didn't involve, they didn't ask what is the index number, blah, blah, blah. No, they didn't ask. Okay, so mathematics is free. No, you want to, how you want to do as long as you reach the answer actually. Okay, let us try. But here they use a index number and do lah. Let us try, we use a percentage and do. Okay, see whether you get the same answer or not. Okay, so you see 16 is this. Okay, so what do they want actually? Calculate the expected number in the year 2020. Means this one. What's the number at 2020? Okay, so here to here 10%. Okay, so start from this 17,721. Okay, if increase 10%, okay, I will do times 1.1. Shortcut. 1.1 come from here. Come from where? Okay, 1.1 come from 110 over 100. Okay, so it's 1.1. Okay, the 110 come from where? 110, the 100 is the original itself, and then the 10 is the 10%. Okay, So you can shortcut, okay, write 1.1. Okay, let's say it's 5%, then 1.05. Let's say it's 20%, 1.2. Okay, so this one, what do you get? 17721 times 1.1. Okay, 1949.3.1. Okay, I don't care lah, because this is a number of visitor, cannot be 0.11. Okay, leave it first, because this is not the final answer yet. Okay, so we leave it first. Okay, we continue. Okay, so this is the 2018 one. Okay, this is 2018, the number of visitor. Okay, now 2020. Okay, based on this 18 one, same thing, increase 10%, so times 1.1 again. So based on this, okay, times 1.1. Okay, so 21442. 21442. 21442.41. Okay, 41. Okay, now remember, okay, number of visitor cannot have point. Okay, because this is a human being, so don't have a decimal. Okay, so 21442 will be your answer. Okay, now, okay, you see the same. Okay, so this one they use the index number formula to do. Okay, I just use your normal, you know, the how to say, the percentage knowledge to do. Okay, you will get the same answer. Okay, that's why I say this chapter actually is related to the no percentage. Okay, this one the one. Okay, so this is another homework. Okay, here got 2 questions. Okay, I think one shot lah, you do this. Okay, this is how many questions? This is 5 questions. Okay, so that's all for today for this. Okay, then next lesson only we go to composite index, but same thing, before I start the teaching of this 10.2, you can go through first. Okay, so when I go through with you, then you can understand better and faster lor. Okay, I think we still got time, so we can discuss the what I have marked for your PBD. Okay, the solution of a triangle, the 2 questions. Okay, so have you checked your ayo, can you hear me still? My network is not very good. Oh, okay. Have you all checked go into the class kit and check your result? Who messaged me? Celine. Celine, you managed to go in or not, Celine? Okay. Okay. So how do I say you check and see whether I miss mark on any part or not, because some of you didn't put at the correct place so I write a notes at that page, I say the answer is on another page, something like that. Okay, but I hope I have marked all, and then I have given you the marks. Okay, so let us go through the questions. I can see mostly got no problem. I can say half of the class or even more than that, can get the marks is like 19, 20 like that. Okay, 15 girls get 8, 19 and 20 marks. Okay, the full mark is 20 marks. Half of the class. Okay. Okay, mostly achieve the band 4 lah, huh? Only 6 students, okay, didn't achieve band 4. Okay, 5 students achieve band 3. Okay, 1 student didn't achieve a band 3 nor or band 4 lor. Okay. How do I determine whether you achieve or not? Okay, if your mark is is from 10 to 14 out of the 20, then I give you band 3. If your mark is 15 to 20, then I give you band 4. Okay, so far there's one girl only cannot achieve band 3, also cannot achieve band 4 lah, okay. So quite a number of students get 19 and also 18 okay, it's actually because of the how to say uh, because of uh, the accuracy when you give the uh, the answer. Okay, you see this chapter actually um the value for you to continue to get the another part of the answer you have to use the value before, like when you do part B maybe you need to use your part A answer to get your part B answer, and then when you do the part C maybe you have to use your part A and the part B answer to get your part C answer, etc. Okay, don't round off any of the step don't round off. You want to round off, yes, it's a 4 significant figures. Remember this, 4 significant figures is actually is the more and then the more accurate. Okay, if you cannot, you just don't erase your answer in your calculator, continue to press. Okay, that one is better. I know in certain step you would like to write um, the answer that from your calculator you round off a little bit. That one is okay. You just write, okay, nothing wrong. But when you want to continue the step, you may use whatever is still in your calculator. Don't erase it. Don't press the AC, start over again. Okay, and then press the one you have already round off. Don't do that. Then you will get a very accurate answer. Why I say so? If you round off too early, okay, this type of questions solution of triangle the final answer actually it will give you a range. You will compare with your answer with your friend answer. It will maybe be different a little bit. Why yours is correct? Why your friend answer also is correct? Because this type of question always the final answer is in a range. I mean for the mark scheme. If your answer is fall in that range, then you will get correct. If your answer is not fall in the range, then sorry, you are wrong. Okay, the last mark cannot get. Okay, but you see because you round off too early. Okay, so means the whole thing the whole script they will not ready to how to say to penalize you. Okay, they will actually penalize you only the whole thing minus 1 mark. Okay, they will not here, okay, minus 1 mark, there another minus 1 mark, here another minus 1 mark. No, they will not. But if you want to score full marks, okay, my advice to you, don't round off too early. Okay, you want to whatever you want to round off, remember it's 4 significant figures. Okay, where you say what teacher you got put the mark in class kit. Yeah, no, I didn't put total marks, but you can see. Okay, I'm still sharing the screen okay I don't know what you can see. Is it same thing like me, like mine? Okay, wait wait for a while Okay, did you see like this? The first page, 4 means you get 4 marks in your first page. Second page, 6 means you get 6 marks in your second page. They don't have the total. Okay, so you just add out this 4, 6, 4, 5. Then that one will be your total marks. Did you see something like this? Yes or no? No alamak. So you only see the tick, 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 huh? Then pity you lor. You go and add out your how many tick you have. Okay, then you will see that is a type of the tick with echo. Wait how leh? Example, I click on Emelina. Okay, how to call out the sticker? Okay. If you see this type of a tick, this one we call it follow through. Okay, why we have this follow through is because previously you get a wrong answer. Okay, but in the next step, you apply the wrong answer, but you are using in the correct methods. So you will still get marks. You see actually, NMATS or modern maths actually the same thing. They also have this follow through. Actually not bad, you know. They will not penalize you, you know. One shot, wrong then wrong lah. Everything wrong lah. No, okay. They will give you still the mark on working. So must show working. If you didn't show the working, you jump step or whatever, then that one will be problem. Okay, if your final answer is correct, then maybe okay lah. I'm not very sure. But if your final answer is wrong, they will look at the step and then see how they can help you, okay, to give you mark. But I don't think so long. Now the paper 1, paper 2, they mark in the same way, same methods already. They don't look at final answer. They will start from the beginning and then go downwards. Last time, the paper 1, they look at the final answer. If final answer wrong, they start from the bottom, go upward one. But now, no more already. Your paper 1, paper 2, same type of marking. They'll start from the up, come down to the final answer. Okay, so if you miss some of the step, even though your final answer is correct, maybe also they will penalize you. Okay, you also will not get full marks. Or even your final answer is correct, you didn't show the step don't have mark, final answer also don't have mark. So you must show all the steps you have. Okay, okay, this one we call it follow through. Okay, then some of you didn't do some of the questions. I put didn't attempt. Okay, and then some of you because didn't put for the 4 significant figures, so I put 4 SF significant figures. I think wait 6, not this, 19 here. Okay, you see this example. Actually, Emmeline Ray one is not a common example. Okay, but sayang lor. You see, okay, let us see. Sine 53. Okay, you get answer. Divide by the 10. Okay, you get answer times 7.706. Okay, mostly the one make mistake actually is round off too early at the part B, 7.71. Then they carry out all the mistake along the way. Okay, so but for Emery Ray one, yours is here. I think so. Wait, let me see. Equals. Okay, so here I think you after that you shift sign, you are using 0.615. Therefore, your answer is not that accurate. Okay, so you see what I mean is, okay, you can write in here 6154. I want 4 significant figures now. Okay, after that you don't put shift sign 0.6154. You can dan use the answer from your calculator. Don't erase it. Okay, you see shift sign the just now that answer, then equal. Your answer will be very accurate. You see, my answer 37.98. Your answer 37.95. Already different 0.03. Because all the answer I want 4 significant figures. Okay? And okay, then you carry your mistake here. I mean, not the mistake lah. Okay, is the not accurate lah. The inaccuracy. Okay, so you carry here and then carry here and then carry to your final answer. Then some more carry down, I think, to the part D. You see, some more carry down to your part D, the 89.05. Okay, but we don't penalize you so many times. We only penalize you one time because of the inaccuracy. That one you don't worry. But if you are that type, you want the A plus, you want the A plus, okay, the 1 mark, okay, can mean a lot of different, okay, either A plus or the A. So next time, be careful, okay. Okay, maybe I think this one. Let us see. S1. Quite a number, you get the 7.71. Okay, this is the one. 4 significant figures. Why 7.71? Okay, the answer is 7.706. Then when you carry, all you see the answer actually different a little bit. Okay, if you are very malang, very suay, okay, your final answer is not fall in the range, straight away your final answer, they don't give you mark, This one you still lucky that your final answer is still in the range, but my mark scheme is not the SPM mark scheme lah. I still give you mark lah. Okay, I'm saying if you know here not accurate already, some more carry you know the accuracy will run away even the range will be bigger, you know. So maybe your final answer at the end not fall in the range, then here you will get another -1 mark. Here you will get another -1 mark. Altogether you will get -3 marks already for the 10 marks question because of the inaccuracy. You think about it, okay? Not to say 1 mark, okay? Not to say 1 mark, Sometimes, you know, okay, you will bring the effect, okay? Maybe you will get -3 marks. So you think carefully, Okay. So I think that's all actually. Mostly is this and this law. Okay, and then for those I don't know, empty some of the question is don't know how to do or not enough time to do or what. Okay. So if you cannot, you don't know how to do, maybe you can, because mostly you can get the correct answer. It's either you ask from your friend, if not you can personal WhatsApp me. Okay, then I will help you. Okay, if not, I can give you the mark scheme. Okay, if anyone needs the solutions, okay, you let me know. Yeah. So I think that's all for today. Any question to ask?